Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the bullets have some charge and are powered off. Low battery can block a factory reset. Once done, remove the buds from any paired device lists so they won't auto-reconnect. Now, press and hold the power button for about 10-15 seconds until the LED blinks or changes pattern. This initial long press clears temporary states and prepares the headset for the full reset. You should now perform the factory reset sequence. With the bullets powered off, press and hold power and volume up together for around 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until you see a distinct LED flash or alternating pattern. That visual cue means the internal settings were cleared. Make sure to wait a few seconds after the light change, then release and allow the earphones to boot. If the indicator doesn't appear, repeat one more cycle to ensure the reset completed. Once the bullets restart, put them into pairing mode by holding the power button briefly until the LED pulses, then open Bluetooth on your phone and choose the device name. If the connection fails, power cycle your phone and repeat the factory reset sequence on the earphones. This clears stubborn pairing records. Make sure no other Bluetooth devices are actively connecting nearby, because multiple sources can interrupt pairing. If issues persist, try a longer charge and a final reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.